In front of me is OPPO Reno8 Z, and today I would like to show you how you can turn on or off auto brightness. All you need to do is go into Devices Settings first. Now click on Display and Brightness. And last but not least, click on this switcher next to Auto Brightness to turn it on or off. Personally, I always leave it off because I like to adjust my screen manually in Tab menu. But if you want to enable it, just make sure this switcher is blue. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!